Hello everybody and welcome back to Let's Go. Sorry it's been some time since my last video upload. I've been moving house and today I'm just going to do a quick update regarding basically resetting your scooter back to factory settings. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that today. So according to the website, so this is Zendesk.com. Rebooting your scooter to factory settings. So it says that it may reset your Bluetooth password on the app. That doesn't really matter. It's fine. There's two methods to do it, and you're going to need maybe somebody to give you a hand. So there's reboot method 1. So we'll show you how to do that. What it says is turn the unit on. So we'll go ahead and do that. Hold the throttle lever and the brake lever all the way down and keep them down. You may need to ask somebody to help you with an additional hand. Turn the unit off and release the brake and throttle lever. So we'll go ahead and do that. So brake lever all the way down, throttle lever all the way down, and I'm going to turn the unit off and then release everything. Method 2, turn the unit off, hold the throttle lever and the brake lever all the way down and keep them down. You may need to ask somebody to help you, and then turn the unit back on and release the throttle and the brake. So I'm going to hold those down, turn it on. That always happens when you do that, and then release. And that's how you do a factory reset. I believe you can do it through the scooter hacking software as well. I might do an update on that later once I've had a look. If you want to see me do that, please comment down below and let me know. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.